got out of Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. This is Sarah. You've seen her already.
It was good.
It was good. It was weird.
Lots of twists.
It was Tarantino.
It was
so
funny, though.
we expected it to be weird.
Yeah.
It was funny. I didn't expect real historical characters to be in it.
Oh,
so.
I knew already.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess I didn't know much about it going in, but
I've watched many documentaries.
oh, nice. Yeah. I won't spoil anything.
Yeah.
Do recommend.
Really good.
It was weird introducing a narrator in the third act. It was weird.
What else? It was fun though.
Yeah, it was fun. I feel like there's probably a full version that's like 5 hours long.
Yeah.
Somewhere out there. Yeah. Anyway. All right. Bye. Hey guys, it's Saturday. I just woke up. I gotta get ready because Ginny's mom got in town late last night with her friend Anna, and we're gonna go get breakfast. The four of us with the Nuchos, because the Nuchos leave, I think, on Monday. So I gotta hang out with them before that happens. So I gotta get ready. I got like a half an hour to get dressed and shower and stuff because I slept in too late. Because that's my brand. Okay, bye.
Or one ear up, one ear down.
It's a free roll! We just like, something, let me have something. We're just looking for that.
It's a rock and roll themed box.
It is. Remember how Lena always goes for that? Yeah, there it is. She always goes.
I want to rock. Bark. That's cute.
Heavy metal. Is it still in there?
Here at the garden table. Look who's here. Getting some food. It's my favorite mother-in-law. Of all the mother-in-laws.
Mother-in-laws. I'm the most favorite. And her best friend Anna. Woo-woo!
And look what we found. It's Hopcat. This is my college bar, but the original Hopcat's in Grand Rapids. So that's weird. The opposite of a good spell.
Bad spell. Like
Yeah, what's a bad spell? What's a bad spell called? Not a charm, but a yeah.
Yes.
He's the great gamekeeper, groundskeeper. Yeah. Professor Trelawney's professor of what?
A divination?
Yeah. The first book.
Chamber of Secrets?
First book.
Is it Philosopher's Stone, Sorcerer's Stone?
Yeah. Potions Master.
Slytherin. Snape. Yes.
Yep.
Snake.
How do you get? Where's the train come through?
King's Crossing Station.
King's
Cross.
Yep. Yep. The house elf at the House of Black.
Creature.
Yep. Professor Binns teaches what?
History of magic.
Yep. Defense Against Ours Year 2.
Lockhart.
Yeah. So Ginny's mom and Anna just left to drive back all the way down to Georgia, which is, I do not envy that drive. That's not a fun drive. Yeah, it was great having them here this weekend. We did a bunch of stuff. They went paddle boating without me. Pedal boating. That makes sense. I've been saying that wrong for decades. Anywho, in 2 days, my dad gets here with Steve Jones. Steve Jones is like an uncle to me. He's like one of my dad's best friends. He lives in Chicago. He's also an actor. My earliest memory of him is him being a Power Ranger. We had a picture of him as a Power Ranger on my fridge. I don't know the context of that. I just know that that's a thing. So yeah, and then Heather's coming this weekend too. So back-to-back visits. It's gonna be a good time. Okay, thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams and cheers.